Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change theme language. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, we have the library, community, and your profile. In the middle of the screen, we have a tab where you can check out your store, new and noteworthy categories, and the search bar at the very end. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change theme language. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So basically, launch the Steam client on your computer and click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. So click on the top left corner, click Settings, which is one before last. In the Settings menu, click on Interface. So basically click on Interface, which is, as you can see, the 7th option here. Then, when you click on Interface, under the Select the language you wish Steam to use, require Steam to restart, section, choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Then click OK to save your changes. Steam will prompt you to restart the client to apply the new language settings. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.